Do you think there's a place for attorneys to give their client the choice of whether or not they want you as their attorney to use AI? For example, if I'm nervous about it for whatever reason, I'll say, yeah, I want you to take my case. I want to hire you, but I do not want you to use any AI whatsoever. And if you think that is a possibility, would that change how you structure fees?
It's not imparted in our system. So for us, would it be different? So not yet, but like I was talking to a new case management software at Press Forms that's growing right now. Right before this, I was talking for an hour, and the whole thing is it's all AI based. That's going to be part and parcel to it. But the certain current systems we have really don't use AI. It's just for internal kind of training and stuff. But like Serenade, they work with Visa Law that AI, so that if you buy the combo package, that'll work with them on that. Yeah, you got to tell clients. I think at least let them know because until it was kinda like you're my age, I think, and so, like, when we first started, it used to be, like, a big thing, like, to put your credit card into, like, Amazon, that's, like, still now no one cares. That's, like, that auto credit card that goes or Uber to come pick you up. Who's this person? They could steal you and kill you and cut your throat or something like that. Then it's like everyone's doing Uber. So, probably it's another, like, 12 months where people will stop caring about AI, and
Yeah.
it'll just be, like, non-starter.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's interesting. We do sort of get used to these things, especially when they create such efficiency and make life so much easier. Like Uber is a game changer, right? Paying online for stuff is a game changer. And so people, I guess, weighed their options and said, yeah, inherently there is a risk, but God, this is so convenient.
Yeah.
I want to
Your
use it.
cell phone having GPS maps with you all the time, Airbnb to be able to get pluck a place to live in some random person's house. They could have cameras, but it's just so convenient. The Unabomber wrote about this in his manifesto of like the tech is just so overwhelmingly convenient that you have no choice to really get into unless you live like him in the woods, which would you live in the woods too?
Right.
So honey, you kind of
I do in the
sometimes
woods, but I'm connected to the grid. I mean, I have electricity. I don't have running water or heat, but I do have electricity. Yeah. So the other thing I wanted to talk about that we spoke about earlier was password managers.
Mhm.
And it's interesting because this kind of goes along the privacy, data privacy, and also from a tech perspective, but not quite with respect to AI. And I'll say this as a software provider now, right? Because I'm not an attorney. I mean, I don't practice anymore, right? I run laborless. And so our clients, most of our clients are law firms and they have users, like they have laborless users. And there are instances where they want to share credentials. And I tell them, look, you're the boss of your account. If you want to have one laborless account and multiple people use it,
Well,
that's
let
on
me
you. But
pause